Jeff Fairson had Homestead. Tesmen Smart Multimeter TM510. They sent this to me and said, Jeff Fairson had Homestead, you're the greatest thing. Would you please review this? I said, I'll be happy to. So, I got set on auto. I'm going to change it now while holding that down to non-contact voltage. Doesn't matter if these guys are connected or not. But let's see if this wire is hot or not. Yep, it's a hot wire, baby. I know I shouldn't have that, but it's hot. So that's cutting, that is non-contact voltage. I got the extension cord, got the probes plugged in. Look at that, 119. And the marker is set at the AC part, so it tells me it's AC current 119. If I wanted to save that for an example, I could just press this. And then therefore, look at that. Now let's go check DC current. See that H and it says AC down there? Isn't that cool? Now let's go check DC. So now we're going to do DC. So it's still set on auto. These are my solar batteries. These are 6 volts each, but they're charging right now, so they should come up a little higher than that. Look at that, 7.5. But watch this. I'm going to press that. And I put a hold on it so you can better see the voltage. And because it's also sitting there at the second mark, that's DC, and it even tells you DC down here. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I'm going to skip the ohms because I don't have any resistors to check. And to be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. So that's why I like the SmartMeter. You don't have gauges to mess with. So I don't even know what the heck ohms is. But I'm going to check this continuity. So we're still on auto. Now we're going to check the continuity. All the continuity means is there's no break in a wire. So all you got to do is put one on one wire, put the other probe on the other side. Hear that buzz and that green light? That's his continuity. And there you have it, folks. Tesmen TM510 Smart Meter. Oh my gosh, you have to have one. No more dials, no more guessing. You just do it. Jeff Rosen, Homestead. See you by a fun.